If you have problem connecting your Xbox controller to your Xbox console, let me show you a couple steps that might fix that. First, I will try to connect the controller normally to my console, so I will press once the sync button on the Xbox console and the sync button on the controller. We press it and hold it for 2 seconds and then release it. Normally both devices' logo lights should blink fast and then connect to each other. If that didn't work, let's try to reset our controller. To do that, we hold the sync button, this time for 16 seconds, until our controller vibrates and shut down. Once it does that, let's open it back again and repeat the first step that we did before to connect it. So we press the sync button on the console and we press and hold the sync button on the controller as we did before for 2 seconds and then release it. And they should connect. In case that didn't work again, you can use a USB-C cable to connect your Xbox controller straight to your console. Once you connect them with cable, they should stay synced even if you remove the cable. If after this it didn't work either, I would recommend to shut down your Xbox console and the controller, take out the batteries from the controller and also take out the power cable from your console to power cycle your Xbox, and after let's say about 20 to 30 seconds, put it all back together. Now try again to connect your controller with your Xbox console as we did on the first step by pressing the sync button on both devices or by using the USB-C cable, and hopefully it will work. Let me know what was your issue and if any recommendation from this video helped you in the comment section below. And you can check some of my other videos right here on the screen. That's a good one.